Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make images move in CapCut. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the CapCut app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page where all of your recent projects will appear. Here, click on the New Project button at the top and start importing the target images. Once imported, add them to the timeline and they will look something like this. Now, if I go to the start of the image, you can see there are a bunch of keyframes available at the top. Simply add a keyframe at the start, then navigate to the end and change its position or scaling. Once you do that, another keyframe will get added automatically. If I play this video, you can see that this image is now moving. For this tutorial, I will show you another example. I am going to use the second image for this one. Simply add a keyframe at the start, navigate to the end, and then position it to your preference. Once placed, play the video and the image will get in motion. So that's basically how you can make images move in CapCut. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.